Samyuta Hasta Viniyoga. Anjali Hasta Viniyoga. Devata Guru Vipranam Namaskarepya Nukramat Karya Shiro Muko Rasto Viniyoganjali Karaha. Anjali Hasta is used for the salutation to God, teacher and the learned. We hold Anjali Hasta above the head for the God, in front of the face for the teacher, and in front of the chest for the learned. Kapota Hasta Viniyoga. Praname Guru Sambhashe Vinayangi Kriteshwayam. Kapota Hasta is used to show respectful salutation to the teachers as a mark of acceptance and to show politeness. Karkada Hasta Viniyoga. Samuha Gamane Tunda Darshane Shankapurane Angana Motane Shako Namane Chaniyujyate. Karkata Hasta is used to show the arrival of a crowd, showing the belly, blowing the shanka or conch, twisting and stretching the limbs, and bending branch of a tree. Swastika Hasta Viniyoga. Samyogane swastikakyo makare viniyujyate bhayavade vivade cha kirtane swastiko bhavet. Swastika Hasta is used to show an alligator talking with fear or to show an argument or to praise. Dola Hasta Viniyoga. Natyarambe prayoktavyam iti natya vido viduhu. This hasta is used in the beginning of a dance. Pushpa Putta Hasta Viniyoga. Nirajana vidau balavari paladde kramane picha sandhyayam margya dane cha mantra pushpe cha yujyate. Pushpa Hasta Viniyoga is shown a lamp offering, children, accept fruits, offering to the sun in the evenings, and the chant of holy prayers. Utsanga Hasta Viniyoga. Alingane chalajjayam angadadip pradarshane balanamak shikshane chayam utsango yujyate karaha. Utsanga Hasta is used to show embracing someone, shyness, show one's body, and to show teaching discipline to children. Shivalinga Hasta Viniyoga. Viniyogastu tatsaiva Shivalingasya darshane. This hasta is used to show Shivalinga or Lord Shiva. Kataka Vardhana Hasta Viniyoga. Pattabhisheke pujayam vivadishu yujyate. To show coronation, to show worship, and to show weddings, this hasta is used. Kartari Swastika Hasta Viniyoga. Shaka Shucha Adrishikare Vrikshe Shucha Niyujyate. To show the branches of a tea, tip of a mountain, this hasta is used. Shakata Hasta Viniyoga. Rakshasa Binaye Chayam Niyukta Bharatadibihi. This hasta is used to show demons. Shankha Hasta Viniyoga. Shanka Dishu Niyodyoyo Mityevam Bharatadayaha. This hasta is used to show Shanka or conch. Chakra Hasta. Chakra Hasta sa Vigneya Chakrarte Viniyujyate. This hasta is used to show Chakra, the weapon of Lord Vishnu. Atasa means weapon. Samputa Hasta Viniyoga. Vastvachade Sampute cha Samputa Karayiritaha. To cover things and to show the sacred box in which the idols are placed, the Samputa Hasta is used. Anyonya Kalahe Pashe Shainkalayam Niyujyate. To show playful quarrel, rope, chains, this hasta is used. Kilaka Hasta Viniyoga. Snehe cha narmalape cha viniyogasya sammataha. To show friendly talk, this hasta is used. Matsya Hasta Viniyoga. Etasya viniyogastu matsyarte sammato bhavet. This hasta is used to denote fish. Kurmahasta Viniyoga. Kurmahastasya Vigneyah Kurmarte Viniyujyate. This hasta is used to show the turtle or the tortoise. Varaha hasta Viniyoga. Etasya Viniyogastu Varaharte tu Yujyate. This hasta is used to show boar or a wild pig. Garuda hasta Viniyoga. Garudo Garudarte cha Yujyate Bharatagame. This hasta is used to show a bird called the Garuda. Nagabandha hasta Viniyoga. Bhujaga Dampati Bhave Nikunchanam cha Darshane Atarvanasya Mantreshu Yojyo Bharatako Vidihi. This hasta is used to show snakes, creeper, chamber and Atharva Veda shlokas. Katva hasta Viniyoga. Katva hasto bhave deshaha Katva dishu niyujyate. Katva hasta is used to show the bed. Berunda hasta. Berunda pakshi dampatyor berunda itiritaha. Berunda hasta is used to show a bird couple. Avahita hasta. Shringara natana chaiva leela kanduka dharane kucharte yujyate soyam avahita karabidaha. Avahita gesture is used to show love, catching the ball and breasts.